Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. So here I started the Facebook as well as a Telegram group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the three different colleges. So here the application fee is not there, and the UGC NET or the PhD is not mandatory here. So let us see the details regarding these notifications. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the first one is the St. Joseph College, Arts and Science. So it is affiliated to Madras, University of Madras. So here they wanted the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies for the departments Commerce, Computer Science, Mathematics, and Corporate Secretaryship and English and HCM. Eligibility as per the UGC norms. So you have to apply on or before 10th March 2021. And here the mail ID is given here and the contact numbers are also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact to these provided numbers, guys. So if you have the post graduation in these departments, okay, without UGC NET or with UGC NET or with PhD or without PhD, then you may apply to this one, guys. Okay. And coming to the next college it is Aditya Group of Engineering Colleges. And in this one, the walk-in interview are there for the professor associate and assistant professor vacancies. And here the dates are also mentioned here for the walk-in interviews. So 15th March 2021 is for the computer science, and 16th March is for the electronics and communication. And the 17th March is for the civil, and 18th March is for the petroleum technology, physics, mathematics, and chemistry. So these are the different dates for the walk-in interviews, right? So the salary and qualifications and the experience as per the ACT norms, okay, the free transport is available and the buses are also available. So here the venue is given for the walk-in interviews, okay. So here the contact number is also provided here. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact this number, guys. And whatever the departments you belongs to, so please note down these dates, okay. And whatever the certificates or the documents that you want to bring, then you have to contact them and then get the details. Right? And coming to the next one is, so it is the next college, guys. It is Banari Amman Institute of Technology. So here the different departments are mentioned. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, that is aeronautical, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, computer, information science, agriculture, automobile, computer science and business systems, fashion technology and information technology, textile, food, computer science, biomedical and artificial intelligence. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, then you may apply it. So the qualification mentioned are BE or BTech with ME or MTech and PhD. Okay, so if you want to apply, then click on this apply now. Then few details you have to fill up. And after filling up these details, then you have to submit your details, guys. Okay, so total these are the three different notifications. And please share this information or this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be helpful to them. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.